Still wasting hours making boring presentations? This stickman is completely stressed out trying to finish his slides. Then he discovers Napkin AI, a free AI tool that creates beautiful presentations in seconds. He opens the website and gets started instantly. No design skills needed at all. All he has to do is type his topic and let the AI do the hard work. Boom! Napkin AI automatically generates clean, professional slides almost instantly. He quickly edits the content, adjusts the layout, and makes everything look even better. Adding images, icons, and visuals is super easy, even for complete beginners. Once finished, he downloads the presentation for free with just one click. Now, he presents confidently with slides that actually look professional and modern. Want presentations like this for free? Try Napkin AI today and save hours of work.